Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning, all. I am cleaning the cat prints off I primed these, remember yesterday? Cats walked on them. Of course they did. And we are going to stencil the Santa Claus today. There he is. That my husband cut for me. So I'm gonna, fix the fact that I'm not good at stamping things by faking it with stencil. So he makes me the self-adhesive stencils. He's got a plotter. He's a sign guy. So it's kind of an advantage, but you can buy self-adhesive stamps on Etsy. You can buy them. Craft Direct has them in St. Cloud, which is close to my house, but I don't know if Craft Direct is like nationwide. I have no idea. Y'all, if I paid attention, I'd be scary. I would know things and I don't. So I'm going to I prime the boards. These are the Cedar Shakes that I picked up to do the stamping project I failed miserably at. And I sanded it yesterday and gave it just a white base coat. And then we're going to stick Santa on here. And I am going to stencil him. Now the question is, I think I'm going to do Santa in a black outline and then the Merry Christmas in a gold. Or should I do silver? Okay, well, decisions will be made. We'll figure out what we're going to do as far as colors go, because this should be dead easy compared to what I was trying to do. I have gold glitter too. Micro glitter. We could do the Merry Christmas in gold and then glitter it. Yeah, let's do that. All right, I was going to do silver because I was kind of having a silver theme going on, but I think we're going to do gold for this one. So let me get you guys switched around so you can see what's going on. Okay, I know it's weird being sideways, but it's the only way I can do this. So I've got his self-adhesive stencil. I'm going to remove the backing. Ugh, which gives me a wonderful little Santa Claus. Let's make sure Christmas can fit on there, and then we'll press it down. You want to make sure all the bits and parts are stuck down, and then the hardest part is getting it started. He weeded it wrong. He weeded these right. This is wrong. I am going to pull it up. And we're going to lose him. That's okay, because I don't want it. I don't want this at all. Sorry, Jeff. You did it wrong. Now that's what we wanted. Just the outline of Mr. Claus. Get my gift card out here. Make sure all of this is down. All right, let's just do it. Just do it. All right, let's move on to the gold, because I could pick at that all day long and it's not going to do any good. Gold. Yeah. But because it's going to dry really fast, we're going to glitter it right away. piece of paper here. She fix this glitter off here. We could put that back in the glitter. All right, gods of crafting. Please be kind. Please be kind. He's cute, but not great. I think maybe he needs some color. I'm terrible. I'm like, he needs color. I didn't want to give him color. I wanted to do the little outline thing, but no. I'm like getting the twinkle in his eye. And let's do a piece on Earth. It's a hot mess. Oh, damn it. I am going to sand Peace on Earth, distress it a little bit because it bled all over the place. We're on day 2 of this project, no lie. Well, that just made everything so much worse. Okay. Here's what happened. So putting the glitter paint on made the red way liquidy. So that's why it bled underneath there. Santa, on the other hand, looks amazing. Like, I waited till he dried and brushed off the glitter from the Christmas excess glitter, and it looks good. So I think I'm going to do up the other Santa Claus on another shingle, maybe cut out some more stuff, more designs, and these are my version of that. So if everybody was worried what I was going to do with the shingles, I'm going to have my husband cut me some more stencils. So I've got another piece on Earth. I feel like it needs something here, and I'm gonna run it by him because he's a good source to bounce things off of, to see what he thinks. I feel like it needs something. All right. Well, that's it. That's my version instead of stamping of the cedar shingle project. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? We have this kind of fun like every day. Click that blue button right there. And if you'd like to get yourself a Happy Junkin' shirt, don't forget to click the links below. They make good Christmas gifts, but you're running out of time. So grab that. And if you would like to send me a thrift flip challenge, which I promise I won't stencil on or stamp on or sew. Ugh. The P.O. box is where you would send that. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Every penny of that goes back into the channel to bring you guys better content. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.